The Dunkey'S Shaidie. A traveller hired a donkey, and its master as a flunkey, to carry him to a distant land. Alas, things didna gang to plan. The summer sun was beating doon, nae Shaidie was there to be found, excepting for the donkey's yin. Sae the ructions did begin. The traveller claimed the donkey's shade was his because o' hire paid. The owner said, "You're a sado. It was the donkey you hired, no its shadow." The traveller said, "You cheeky monkey, I heard it when I hired your donkey." Frae heated words they come to blows, black een and a bloody nose. In the midst o' all this commotion, 'twas then the donkey took a notion to flee into the distance then, and never mair was seen again.